Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to remove WordPress from your hosting your domain or hosting. So guys, basically now I will show you two methods, which is how to delete the WordPress extension. First of all, I will need you to go ahead and open your browser and then go to the URL section and search for Hostinger. Now, basically, I will give you a brief about Hostinger for those who doesn't know what this platform is about. Basically, Hostinger is a platform that gives you a bunch of services from hosting, VPS, email, and domain names. So here is an example of their plans of hostings. So as you can see, single web hosting, premium web hosting, business web hosting. You can get here all the features that you can compare them with each of one of these. And here you can see VPS hosting, email, and domain name search if you like it, as you can see here. Now, how we can actually delete our WordPress from our domain name. So just click on login, and first of course you will have to get a domain name on Hostinger. So this tutorial will only work on Hostinger, but the second method will actually work on any kind of platform that you are using. Now, if you are connecting your domain name with your hosting, which is at the moment I don't have, all you need to do is simply go to your hosting and delete everything that has relation with WordPress. So just go delete into your MySQL and delete it from there. Now the second method, which is basically by going to WordPress, and if your domain was connected to WordPress, all you need to do from here, I will go to settings, and normally here guys you will find the domain name if your site has connected, so you can just click here to delete your site permanently. So what it does, so if your website has connected through here, you can just go all the way down to settings and delete your site permanently, and WordPress will be deleted from your domain. So guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.